actually just did my skincare routine, and I just washed my face with the Joy face scrub, and I use CeraVe face wash. To moisturize, I use Pond's, and I have this Joy face serum that is almost done. So I learned a trick from my girl Adriana here on YouTube, Adriana TV. I'll see if I can put her information on this. She said that she uses some Vaseline sometimes for her skin. So this is what I have.
3, 2, 1.
At the moment, and I just have Vaseline on my lips, and I have been using Vaseline for some time. I use it sparingly, though I don't use it all the time. So yeah, this is just me all moisturized. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next part of the vlog. Hi guys, so I just came on to say I just got home. It's minutes to 6 at this point, and I'm going to start to get ready. I'm going to eat something and bathe and start to get ready. So I'm not sure how much of the process I'll show you guys, but stay tuned. Yummy. Hey y'all. Sorry for the setup. I don't have time to set up in my usual spot, so I'm going to start on my hair. This is a get ready with me, by the way. So I'm going to start on my hair. Not me nor realizing I put the dress on backwards. Anyways, I'm about to start my hair. You all know I always comb my hair in a bun because it is the easiest thing to do. And seeing that my hair was already sleek from the hairstyle today. Sorry if the lighting is bad. Also, I've seen a shadow. Let me just start, guys, because if I 1 second. Yeah, yo. So if I go to study and think about setup and lighting, I think I went down here today. So let me just focus on getting ready. So I'm just using my Truth, my Jet Set gel. You all know that I mainly use that. I mean, I go in between that. If I don't use that, I use Eco Styler, but that's like I haven't bought that in a while. So I have not done a high bun in a while also. So I think I'm gonna cut my hair. I don't know. It's easy. I just obviously style my hair when it's shorter. So I kind of want to cut my hair, but at the same time, do I? Because look how long. I'm just going to the mirror to get in the right position, and I'll be back, right guys? Yeah guys, I'm back. I had to step away to sleep my hair properly. I really want another style, but guys, I'm not good at combing my hair, and my sister is not here as yet, so I just had to make this do. I'm just going to swoop my baby hair. Yeah guys, so I finished in the shower. I ate already. I'm doing my hair now. You good?
3, 2.
I think I have to go by my big mirror to see because I'm not really seeing here, but that's the gist of it. I'm going to use my Lotta Body. My cousin gave me this some years ago, and it's like it's a thick formula, so that I usually keep down my edges. See, it's like a thick formula. So that will keep down my edges as well as the jet set. So let me go and fix it properly and I'll be back. So I finished, guys. You know, sometimes must give it trouble. Like this edge, this wave here, this side come out good. You can't really see it though. This side come out good. This side gain trouble, but I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't have time. I just gonna wrap this scarf over my head so it could remain neat. So I'm about to go and I'm going to brush my teeth and probably I'm not really doing makeup. I just put on mascara on the teeth and my clothes like I done dress. What's the time now? It's 6:32 and they said we're leaving by 8, but my cousin never ready on time, so that might be iffy. So yeah guys, I'm gonna brush my teeth, iron my top, and then finish getting ready. So yeah. My Joy Pink Rose toner. Wipe my face with the toner and I'm going to apply some Vaseline to my lips. I applied the Joy Face Serum on my face, a little bit of Vaseline, and some of the pond's to give me that nice glow. So guys, I'm mostly ready. You will be seeing the final look, but I just want to show you guys what I have in my I have in the bag a nice little clutch. Well, not a clutch, but and it's so cute. I'll link the company name down below. This is the outfit of the night. I have one my favorite set. I have this nice top that I put inside the pants and my little shoe. So that's the outfit of the night. How is it? I just came from church and I'm here by my brother now. Today is his birthday. Hello. Are they giving trouble? Hi. Let's go by the pool. Hi guys, I'm doing some self-care. I just have hair removal cream. I'm about to bathe, wash my hair, and do my skincare routine, exfoliate and stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is what I've been using. This is the Beauty Formulas hair removal cream. It is a cheap alternative to like Femme and stuff, and it has been working really well. So I would use this as well as shave sometimes. It just depends on what mood I'm in. If I'm looking for something fast, I would use this, and other times I would shave. And I use this for my legs, my arms, and well, my upper lip and chin, like facial hairs, as you guys saw. It's really good, and it's only $20 in Pennywise.